Morning to all and all, myself Lakshmi Patil from class 10. Today my topic is about alimentary canal. The alimentary canal is a long extending tube from the mouth to the anus. The various regions are specialized to perform different functions. The alimentary canal is consist of mouth, tongue, esophagus, liver, stomach, pancreas, small intestine, large intestine, anus, etc. The mouth is the first digestive system of our alimentary canal. The food is ingested through the mouth. Mouth consists of sets of teeth. Teeth are helpful in breaking down of complex food particles into the smaller one. The esophagus helps in the passing of food from the mouth to the stomach. The stomach is a large organ which expands when food enters in it. The digestive system of stomach is taken care by the gastric glands present in the wall of the stomach. These release hydrochloric acid. The protein digesting enzyme is called pepsin. Pepsin helps in the digesting of proteins and mucus. The mucus protects the inner lining of the stomach.
Food enters into the small intestine. Small intestine is the longest organ in our alimentary canal. Alimentary canal consists of various regions of the small intestine is the site of complete digestion. Small intestine is the site of complete digestion of proteins, carbohydrates and fats. It receives the secretion from pancreas and the liver. Food coming from the stomach is acidic, has to make the alkaline for the action of enzymes coming from the pancreas. Bile juice coming from the liver accomplishes on this and act on fats. Bile juice break down